So guys, this is how my current setup looks like, and I've been watching so many YouTube videos and lots of people have really nice backgrounds, and I was just thinking, how do you really make that background really nice? This looks really bland, there's nothing in it, so I'm gonna make some changes. I'm gonna show you guys what it is. So I've ordered this product from the internet after just checking it out. Lots of people have got this. So this is a LED strip light which I'm going to use for the background to basically make it more vibrant and make it really look nice. So it's got these different colors which I can adjust. Comes with this RF connector, so and a socket to connect your RF connector, and comes with these sort of stickers where you can put the LED light on, small manual, and here is the LED strip light. I'm not sure how long this is. I think so it's around 5 meters. And yeah, so guys, let's go ahead and put this up and let's check out the new layout of the room. Okay, I've just finished up setting up this LED strip light, and that's the remote. I can change the colors. That's a bit of an orange, red, green, blue, that's orange again, and yellow, and so on. So to set up this strip light, you need to have something hiding the strip light so that it doesn't show, because if you see the LEDs, it'll just show up and it won't really look nice. And you need to set up your camera and the position in such a way that it's it gives that really nice effect. This is the best position I found in this really small room. This room is really small, and you need some extra lighting as well, because the lights from these LED strips isn't that much. So what I can do is I can switch to DIY1, and that will give that blue sort of look which you see on most of the YouTube videos. So it's personal preference basically, whatever you can change it into, whatever color you like. I personally like this sort of greenish color. It really looks nice, and I'll be making most of my YouTube videos over here. Probably gonna change the table. Let's see how it goes. Maybe stick with this one at the moment, and nice for reviews, get a few things over here to basically make it look nice. And yeah, that's it. That's how it is. I mean, that was the strip light video, and it's just a very basic setup of how would you if you're getting out on YouTube and you're an upcoming YouTuber and you want to set up your room, put these lights. So this is it. So yeah, so guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next video, and then bye for now.